gabi sa no matter where I turn, no matter where I go. Thank you sa thumbs up. Salamat. Hi. What's up? Gus Sanders, good evening, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, Sir Gus. Good evening. Good evening. Salamat. Good evening to all. Thank you for coming in my live. Thumbs up, Dan. Thank you for the thumbs up. How are you, Sir Gus Sanders? Morning there and morning there in USA. US. How are you, Sir Gus? How are you, Sir Gus Sanders? I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What are you doing there now, sir? Do you have a work or is day off today? Weekend? Today's weekend. No matter where I do, where I go. Thank you for the 2 million. Thank you guys for Skibidi Rizzy Whitey. Hi, Skibidi. Skibidi. Drinking coffee, I'm retired. Retired what? Retired teacher, retired army, retired doctor, like, can you read this? Red Skibidi Rizzy, Skibidi Riz Whitey. Hi, Skibidi Riz. Thank you for the 11 million in the house. Thank you so much. Skibidi Gyat. Gyat 1. Skibidi Gyat. Skibidi Gyat. Hi. Hi, Skibidi Gyat. Hello. Good evening. Good evening here in front. Who's back from jail? With what get? With what get? You from Philippines? Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Who's back from jail? With what get? With what get? What get? What get means? Hello po. Hi. Hi to you, Skibidi Rizzy. Ang hirap bigkas ni Skibidi. With means, what the heck of what the hell. Okay. Thank you for the 15 million in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Mindanao, Luzon, Quezon. Ako, I'm here, nandito ako ngayon sa Bicol, Sorsogon. Bicolana, Sorsogon. I'm Bicolana po. I'm also from Quezon. Like, subscribe, and comment everyone. Thank you, Sir Gus. Thank you, Sir Gus, for supporting. Thank you so much. 15 million in my house. Skibidi, Bicolana po, Bicolana. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Gus, Sanders. Mag-like na ako. Thank you, Skibidi. Salamat, Skibidi. Sir Gus, what are you doing now? Aside for coffee. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat po. Salamat sa thumbs up, Skibidi. Thank you sa 18 million in the house. Salamat po. Thank you so much, guys. Salamat. Thank you po. Kumusta kayo? Kumusta ng buhay-buhay? Watching TV. Okay. My father. Look. He's my where? My father. My father. Thank you for the 7 channel. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Salamat. Salamat sa thumbs up. Thank you, guys. Hello, Ma. Aguinaldo. Ha? Hindi ko maintindihan. With Skibidi, really a name? I don't know. With really a name. Maybe alias. Maybe not real name. Maybe not real name. Alias maybe. I'm Kenan. The Kian Gaming YT. Hi, The Kian Gaming YT. Thank you for coming. Sid, hi. Hi. The Kian Gaming YT. Hi, Kian. Hi, Kian. Thank you for Salamat sa pagpunta. Salamat. Lumaya Ginaldo, bakit ganyan yung what's happening? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Hi, Kian. I'm Kinan. Hi, Kinan. Hi, Kinan. Good evening, Kinan. Salamat, Kinan. Thank you, Kinan. Magandang gabi sa'yo, Kinan. Ang hirap. Thank you. Thank you sa thumbs up, guys. Salamat sa pa-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Ay, wala na sila nag-ilisa. Salamat. Where Sir? Ha? Pagpad daw. Sa sulod, bali nuriyagan sa mga bata. Bali nuriyagan naman sa mga bata. Alam pang nano. Ba't yun? Nasaan na kayo? Nasaan na kayo, guys? Kumusta? Hi, Sir Gus. What are you doing now? Ouch. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung cellphone? Salamat sa tamsak po. Salamat. Patamsak naman. Thank you sa 2 million ulit. Patamsak po, patamsak. Salamat. Thank you. Tara. Thank you for the 3 million. So 3 million in the house. Aray. Ito na nga lang. Nantok ako. Sa 3 million. I'm looking glass. I must love at first sight. Pages are part of it. Nothing more is so it seems. When I just remember. Thank you sa 2 million. Hello everyone. Please comment. Magsalita anything, anywhere, any place. Anything. Everything. Nagbabalik na. Saan ka ba galing? Skibidi. Saan ka nang pupunta?
Sa Manila.
Tamsak Dan, maganda share. Thank you, Greg. Are you wake up? Just wake up now. Greg, are you just wake up? Thank you sa tamsak. Nag-react ng shorts. Okay. Shorts, yung friend mo? Shorts video. Nag-react ka ng short. No, been up for a while now. No, been up for a while now. Opo, okay. All support my friends, Skibidi. Bye-bye. Thank you sa pagpunta, Skibidi. Skibidi, bap. Skibidi pa rin. Skibidi, bap.
And the sticker man, right? Si Batman.
Bye-bye, Skibidi.
Mama, si Takman. Takman.
Thank you sa pag-thumbs-up. Salamat. Thank you sa thumbs-up. Thank you so much. God bless. It's been a while.
Uy.
Skibidoo bap.
Bak, Maria, bak. Ayun.
I followed down the sky. Ha? Opo. Bye, Skibidi. Hi, baby. Ha? How are you doing, siya? Spitting Rama, baby. I'm not a baby. I'm old. Charot. Where are you from? Spitting Roma. Where are you from? How are you doing, Cheryl? How are you doing? I am doing, ano ginagawa ko? Nothing. Nikolai, ganon. What's up, Greg? Hi, Sir Gaz Sanders. How are you, Sir Gaz? Hello, Gaz. Kumusta, Sir Gaz? Thank you, Greg. How are you, Sir Gaz? Sir Gaz Sanders. Thank you sa 5 million. Thank you, sir. The 5 million in the house. Thank you so much. I'm fine, thank you. Ano, sir? Ano? Sir Gas, what your work? What your work before? What is your job before you retired? You decided to retire. I'm fine. Thank you for the heart. Heart. I was a carpenter. Ah, okay, sir. Good job, sir, guys. Don't you want to like I need you, baby? Don't you want to need you? Do you have a kid, Sir Gas Sanders? Do you have a kid? Thanks for coming. Thank you, Greg. Cheryl, I will be back. I'm switching devices. Okay. Take your time, Greg. Thank you so much. Switching devices. No kids and not married. Huh? What happened? Why? What happened, Sir Gus? No kids and not married. Just stay single in your whole life. Why no kids, Sir Gus? Do you have a exes, ex-wife? I almost got married a couple of times, but it didn't work out. Ah, okay, sir. Didn't work out. She's also American. Maybe your wife. You're almost got married a couple of times. She's also American or she's from another country. I don't know, another citizen. Yes, American. American. Couple of times. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much, Sir Gas, for stay alive. Thank you. It helps me a lot to gain, to grow my watchtower. Thank you po. Salamat. Thank you sa 7 million na nanonood. Sa 6 thumbs up. Sa thumbs up. Thank you. I don't wanna be with you tonight. 31 minutes. Oh my God, 21. Ang bilis ng oras. 21 minutes na agad. I'm back, Cheryl. Quick, so fast. Quick, fast. Double time, Greg. You have a lot of appointment, Greg. I'm on my phone now. Why? Ano? I don't know. Where are you? Where are you? Minutes ago. Where are you from? What are you doing in minutes ago? Where are you? You're not on phone. You're not on phone. Tablet, maybe tablet, laptop, ganon. Kapag nakatutok ako sa cellphone, naantok ako. I said when I'm on the phone, I feel sleepy. Like this. I always feel sleepy, but if not on the phone, I feel natural. Maybe because of the lights on the screen of phone. I'm at home now. Where are you from? Another home? Are you outside? Are you from Palengke? Thank you sa 10 million in the house. Salamat po. Thank you sa 10 million. Did you go to church? Yeah, I go to church. I'm not Mikulay, but I go to church. I'm Mikulay at the restaurant. You will, I meet there and my friend at the restaurant. We meet. I always feel sleepy when I'm on the phone, when I'm on the screen of the phone. I always feel like that. I miss it. Maybe you still sleeping. You have lots of friends, Filipina, great, no? Most Bisaya. I miss I miss mostly Tagalog but Bisaya as well. Okay. You have lots of friends everywhere. Sana all. Sana all, Greg. Lots of friends. Anytime, anywhere, any place. I learned Bisaya first. Okay. You learn Bisaya first. You learn Bisaya first, follow Tagalog. Follow the Tagalog language. Hi, so 4 million. No, 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 no. I'm silent viewer. Thank you. Baka lang mag-silent viewer. Basta mag-stay tuned kayo. I told you I'm mad for mini channel. Yes. So mini. How you can handle that? Now I know before. Now I know why lots of friends because of even on other other apps like TikTok. Lots of he's so many lots of friends. I wonder. Now I know from you. You always update there. Your friends. Check updates, friends. No, just writing. We link to each other's channels. Okay. That's great. Wow, sana all. Sana all, Greg. Sana all. No, I got friends all over the world. Obananin, hi, Obananin, how are you? Now, all over the world now. That's good. That's great, Greg. Me, I don't know. I can't handle that. Maybe because too much busy. Busy at home, busy at work, busy at laba-laba. Busy linis bahay, ganon. Busy to work, make money. So much busy. Tawa ka, tawa. Hi, Obananin. Kumusta? Welcome back, Obananin. Kumusta na, Obananin? Palagdamusta. Don't you guitar. Listening to the wind. Sama na. Kay Gab. Is it a slut? It is a lot, sometimes helping many people. Yeah. Too many, tasking, multitask. So many, to help many people. Maybe I can promise many people, many friends support. I don't know, that's why, I'm not, that's what I'm not many friends because I'm not supportive. Because my time is expensive. My time is gold. Very important, the time. Need to sleep, need to eat, need to walk, need to sleep. I always sleep. I'm used to it now, Lul. Sana all. Sana all. You can handle that. Greg. I meet my friends at the restaurant when I'm going to the church. I used to think I had no answers to what did you eat for lunch? What lunch? A fried fish. Chicken, adobo chicken. Chicken adobo now, dinner. Sa dinner. Nantok na naman ako. I feel sleepy na naman. I always feel sleepy when I'm at the restaurant. Chicken, fried chicken, spaghetti. What is lychee fruities? That sounds good. That sounds good. That sounds good. Oh my gosh. I eat fish also. Fish also. Where's Where's Sergas? Sumalas na si Sergas. What happened, Sergas? I feel sleepy na naman. Oh my God. I feel sleepy na naman. Hirap labanan naman to. Minsan kapag ako, pagulong na ako, babagsak. Toren? Yan is, mo na higdaan? Kaya kay higdaan na kamo doon sa saran. Inaantok na ako. Alam ko, masakit ako. Sakit dito. Gus is around. He mad many channels as well. Same as you. Same as you, Greg. Sir Gus. Best party one. Mad. Mad talaga. Mad. It's okay. It's support. For when I'm beginning at the channel, I'm always everywhere. For growing my channel, need followers, need the subscribers. I always visiting others live and support system. Need to grow the process of growing no just 1 month. Just 1 month. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Pa-thumbs up naman. Baka naman sa mga silent viewers natin. Baka naman pa-thumbs up po. Thank you. Sayang ng parang hindi masayang bisita. Either you are a buseta, charot. Si Bornok, busy na si Bornok. Bornok have a girlfriend. Sana all may girlfriend. At sana all may forever. Bye-bye, Greg. I need to I feel antok na talaga. I feel sleepy. I can't help it na. I will make live when sometimes I sleep just 2 hours. 2 hours I sleep and I wake up. And long naman ulit. After, I feel sleepy again. Sign of aging, Need to sleep. I feel, dizziness. Bye-bye, guys. I will make live later when I wake up. Maybe I wake up midnight. I know. Goodbye, Shara. I will say. Bye-bye. I will make live later, maybe midnight. I feel sleepy na talaga. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. Thank you sa nanonood. Love you all. Bye-bye.